Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use ChatGPT Plus for free or how can you get ChatGPT for. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this website is called huggingface.co and all you have to do is once you are on the home page, you just have to go over to the spaces here, click on that, and over here there are spaces here, and on the search spaces, all you have to do is search for GPT for all, like that, for all, like that, and all you have to do is select the first one, and as you can see here, you will have a ChatGPT like interface that utilizes ChatGPT 4. So let's try and insert a random question, and in here you just have to wait for the server because this is a public server, take note of that. And as you can see guys, it is now uh, answering your question, and all you have to do is wait for this guys because it might take a while considering this is a public server like I said. So okay guys, that is how you can use ChatGPT plus. So thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.